We're here to make kids better.
You come into this room, you're going to find a coach that's able to coach your kid no matter what skill level they're at.
This is when you get to meet up with those kind of people that beat you and learn from them, and they learn from you, and kind of combine and get different feels so you're better for the next season.
There's a ton of different people come here from different schools, and some 7A, 6A schools.
I like running my stuff against different defenses and different offenses. I saw a lot of the same stuff all year in 1A to 5A, but again with 7A it's a little different.
I love my kid to see a different aspect, wrestling some 7A kids, wrestling 1 through 5A kids.
Kids should be probably coming to wrestling in the off season to continue to improve their skills and stay fresh with what they've already learned, and they can really accelerate during the off season to gain new knowledge.
You gotta learn to pummel in. You gotta learn to get inside control and get these types of positions and win them.
Step around, drive that hand to the mat.
Focus on specializing on each individual kid, so we know that he's getting that one-on-one attention that he deserves to help him grow individually.
Sag as hard as you can. Sag. Good.
Do an arm drag, so it starts off the same.
Multiple teachers, coaches teaching you all types of different moves. I didn't know some of these moves, now I do, and I'm learning them.
Next thing, take your left knee up underneath or up top. You plant your left foot on the mat. Tilt the far leg.
Well, for me, I just want my kid to get some mat time since this is his first year. Just mat time is what we want.
You get to meet new guys from other schools that you'll be wrestling all the time, and then you get to learn new things, and then you get to, there's a place for you to come and work out.
I like coming here and just wrestling around with people that I don't know, and just getting better and trying to practice as much as I can.
If you don't get in anything new, then you're just going to have the same results than if you went out there and wrestled with somebody new.
Let me set your leg. There you go, right there, that's it.
The advantage of coming here for off season probably is getting better at my technique and just getting more comfortable with the moves I do.
You learn a lot, and it's really good.
Makes you want to work better.
And if a kid doesn't understand it, they take as much time as they need to go through it. And that's important.
You need to pull this in a little bit and get your elbow up.
Make it fun for the kids also, which is a plus. Make them want to be involved and keep coming, so that's a positive.